Hello friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel TKD Health Tips if you haven't done so. So today we are going to solve this problem 17, which is of medium type, called letter combinations of a phone number using JavaScript. Yes friends, JavaScript. So here we has been given a string containing digits from 2 to 9. So we inclusive of 2 to 9, and wherein we want to return all the possible letter combinations that the number could represent. We can return the answer in any order. So they have given a mapping of digits to letters. So the idea to solve. So I have written the code in front of the code editor, but let's talk about the idea. So basically, since each digit can possibly mean one of the several characters, we will need to create code that branches down the different paths as we iterate through the input digit string D. Okay, this quite obviously calls for a depth first search approach, as we will check each permutation of characters and store them in our answer array A and S. Okay, so for a DFS approach, we can use one of the several options, but a recursive solution is generally the cleanest. But first, we will need to set up a lookup table L. Okay, the lookup table is will be L, which is here, uh, and to convert a digit to its possible characters. Since the digits are actually low indexed integers, we can actually choose between an array or a map or a dictionary. So as we are using JavaScript, so we'll be using a dictionary here. So for our DFS function, we will have to feed it the current position POS, which is our POS, in D, as well as the string which is being built. The function will also need to have access to D, D, L, and the answer array. Okay. The DFS function otherwise itself is very fairly simple. It will push a completed str, which is a string, into the answer array. Otherwise, it will look up the characters that match the current position. Okay, and then fire off the recursive functions down each of those paths. So once we are done, we should be ready to return the ANS. Okay. So in our code, if you see here, we are using L, which is nothing but a lookup function, lookup table, to convert the digit into its possible characters, and we have used the dictionary, the JavaScript dictionary here, the ES6 notation. Okay, and the the DFS, we are feeding the DFS with the current position PS POS PUS in the input as D. Okay, and we are building the string str. Okay, the function, the DFS function, will do it. It has access to D, L, and S. So I have also added a console log to see. I have also added a console log to see what it contains. The uh, the output. Okay, it will add up here into the into the code. So let us run the code and see how fast we are able to get the answer. So if you see here, I have std out like output as ABC, DEF, DEF, DEF. So when we have this input as 2, 3, we have an output as AD, AE, AF, BD, BE, BF, CD, CE, CF. Okay, and which matches the expected. So this is ON type. That's time complexity is ON because we are not adding because this is like a linear function. Okay, and the space complexity remains O1 because we are not adding any variables here. And so in this way, in this way you solve this lead combinations of a phone number using JavaScript solution in the LeetCode. Happy coding, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel TKD Health Tips if you haven't done so. Have a good day, stay safe, and stay healthy.